This is one of my deepest secrets, you hear me?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the S5 guy. My name is Dirk. For those of you that have been on the channel before, you're going to notice something a little bit different about my S5. That's right, it got longer. No, really, life happened. I made a couple of moves. I had a kid, my first ever, and now I've got the Sportback. Same fun car, and of course the mods must continue. So what are we doing today? We are removing the stock spoiler in preparation for the carbon fiber spoiler that shows up tomorrow. So I've got a heat gun. I've got ribbon, decorative ribbon. Yes, you heard that right. It's kind of like dental floss, but a lot thicker and stronger, and we'll do the job, I promise, okay? And then, instead of a rubber wheel like everybody else uses, I've got 3M adhesive remover. Now, this is an auto advanced adhesive remover, and they say it is supposed to work without a rubber wheel. So we're gonna try that with a little bit of paper towel, get the car prepped and cleaned for tomorrow when the new spoiler shows up. Let's go. All right, guys, so I have had the car sitting in the sun for a few hours, which should help things, but we're also gonna use our Standy Dandy Ace Hardware heat gun here to heat up the adhesive on the spoiler. All right, so now that that's nice and warm, we're gonna go at it with the decorative ribbon. And no, it's actually not stronger than dental floss. I lied, so don't at me. It's gonna break a bunch of times, okay? Okay, you guys caught me. Clearly the decorative ribbon was not stronger than dental floss. I didn't have any dental floss, okay? But the good thing is both sides of the spoiler are almost all the way up from going through like 400 strands of the decorative ribbon. So we're gonna finish this off with a really thin toe strap, okay? Boom, and that's all she wrote. Now I know some of you guys' trunk lids did not come with a spoiler stock. This is the Daytona Gray Pearl, and I'm not going to remove the adhesive off the bottom, but it's in pretty good condition. So if anybody wants this, just drop a comment down below, okay? Okay, guys, like anything, there are multiple ways to skin a cat, okay? If, like me, you are too impatient to wait for your rubber wheel to show up, or you just don't want to buy one for one application, continually heating the thick adhesive with the heat gun and then rubbing it with dry paper towel will definitely get it off. Just avoid using anything abrasive. The last thing you want to do in attempts to put a new, better looking spoiler on is scratch your clear coat or paint, because then you're not really making the car look better, are you? Yeah. Okay, so like I said, auto advanced 3M adhesive remover. They say you don't need a rubber wheel, so we're gonna find out. Let that sit a few minutes. All right, once the adhesive remover's been sitting for a little bit, you can kind of go at it. Most of the small stuff will come off pretty easy, but you will notice this bigger stuff is still being fairly stubborn, so I'll pick more of that off with my hand. In one of the rare hindsight's 2020 situations for me, probably just get the damn rubber wheel. All right, guys, so most of the adhesive remover and dry paper towel trick worked to get the big stuff off. There was just this little like 4-inch strip left, but you know, about 10 minutes going in with the thumbnail really kind of worked it. So fuck a rubber wheel, you know what I'm saying? But last spray of the adhesive remover on here. Get this. Boom. Last adhesive off. I'm gonna clean that one more time with the ammonia-free glass cleaner. And this bad boy is prepped and ready for a new carbon fiber spoiler tomorrow. Incoming spoiler for today's video will not be the only thing that's carbon fiber. I did go ahead and do the mirror caps already. I have the blacked out RS grill showing up, which will have a video on it. And then there's also going to be a carbon fiber diffuser to replace the rear end, because even though this thing's close to pristine when I bought it, the rear diffuser snaps were all broken and coming off. And I thought, darn it, I'm gonna have to buy aftermarket now. My life sucks. So yeah, that'll all be carbon fiber, so it'll be a nice little theme. But otherwise, Daytona Gray Pearl, just like my last one, with the same Magma Red Napa leather interior. Yee! All right guys, so as you can see, the carbon fiber spoiler came in. Let me just show you something, man. Look at this quality, okay? Look at this thing. Now I've inspected it up and down, no cracks. The clear coat is beautiful. The carbon fiber is true 3x3. It's very, very clean. Let me tell you guys the other thing about this. This is a JC Sportline carbon fiber rear, you know the word, spoiler. Why do I buy JC Sportline? Well, here's the thing. This is my fourth Audi, my second D9 S5. I had the coupe. This is my Sportback. Okay, I've bought carbon fiber for 3 of those 4 Audis, all from JC Sportline. They have all been quality products. They've all had excellent customer service attached to them, where they verify the car, make, and model and everything before they even ship the product, and it always shows up looking pristine like this. So I continue to buy from them because they have good quality customer service. If you guys want to buy from 034 Motorsports or ECS or whatever, I think that's fantastic and good for you, man. I'm just saying you don't have to spend $600 on a carbon fiber rear spoiler when you can get one for 180 bucks that's also real carbon fiber, but just made in China, okay? So they provided some adhesion promoter for this bad boy, and we're gonna slap it on. All right guys, so last thing about this JC Sportline spoiler before I get it in place. I'm not gonna show you a video of me putting it in place for one reason and one reason only. They have designed this thing so perfectly that it fits right on the rear edge of the deck lid, okay? And it fits edge to edge without impinging the ability for this thing to open and close. I mean, it fits perfectly, like right there and right there, edge to edge. It'd be almost impossible to improperly align it. So I'm gonna peel off all the 3M tape, use the adhesion promoter, and get this bad boy put on. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. All right, I gave it a quick spit shine, but here she is, all put on and installed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, you can hit that like button. If you want to see more, smash that subscribe button, guys. There will be a lot of more content coming for the Sportback. I do have a carbon fiber rear diffuser from JC Sportline on the way as well. My stock one is actually broken, so it was a win-win. And I have an RS style front grille coming in the mail, as well as a few other tiny tidbits before performance modification starts. So thanks for watching the video today, and again, subscribe if you want to see more.
One of my deepest secrets, sharing it.